Hello, are you facing problem in solving the passive form of simple past? So here, this lecture is going to help you how to convert simple past into passive. I am pretty much sure if you have gone through the previous lectures, up till now I think that you are quite comfortable in the structure of passive. So today we will see how this passive structure works with simple past. So before moving forward, I would like you guys to just try writing the structure of passive. Pause the video and by yourself write down what according to you is the structure of passive. Okay, as we all know that passive starts with object, so we'll have object first followed by be, then we'll have the third form of the verb by, and at the end we'll have subject. Okay, so let's get started. So in this sentence, it is he flew the birds away. So what are we having? Let's have a check. So we have he as our subject, flew as our verb, the birds as our object. Now if you pay attention, we have he being singular and birds being plural. Would you like to try converting the two sentences into passive? Then go ahead, pause the video and try converting both the sentences into passive. Okay, as we see that we have he flew the birds. So now let us try converting the sentence into passive. So we'll take the birds as the start, then we need be form. So as in simple present, can you tell me what we were using as the form of be? Here we'll use its past form. So as we have birds as plural, we'll be taking the birds were. The birds were, and then we have the third form of fly. What is the third form of fly? We have fly, flew and flown. So the birds were flown away by him. Did you get it correct? Okay. Let's see the second one. What are we having? We are having the teacher as our subject, kept as our verb, the books as our object and not the table. So what have we kept? What has the teacher kept? The teacher has kept the books. So the books will become our object and not the table. So let's try converting this sentence into passive. So we have the books. Now again we are having books which are plural, and so we'll take were. The books were kept. The third form of keep is again kept, keep, kept, kept. So the books were kept. They were kept on the table by the teacher. Quite easy, quite comfortable by changing the active into passive. Very much, I hope that now you have understood the concept of this in passive. This will not only help you to rectify your active simple past sentence, but also will help you to understand that if you have made the sentence in active form or passive form. Because this is a general mistake that people make, that when they are making the sentence in simple past, they forget that it is simple past and still they add here was or were, which completely destroys the meaning of the sentence. The sentence cannot stay in active nor can it stay in passive. If what happens if I say the teacher was kept the book on the table. So just by keeping or writing that one word was over here, the sentence loses its form. It can neither be active nor passive. So now henceforth, when you will be checking your content, when you are checking your essay or report writing, or you're checking your audios of speaking, you will be able to, definitely you'll be able to spot if you have made any errors in the structure of active or passive of simple past. If you are paying attention or importance to the object of the sentence and you are writing the simple past, then make sure that the correct form of be you have included. So friends, I hope that this lecture has made the clarity of your idea towards the active and passive of simple past.